Make $4,500 a month passive income selling books on Amazon. No writing required. Did you know that you can earn thousands of dollars in passive income by making digital products? In this video, we will show you how to make digital products in minutes. They are reading low-content books. These are journals, planners, notebooks, calendars, and other items where the client must fill out the interior. So, we are going to show you how to build a low-content book and the insider secret to how we create low-content books in just minutes so that we can have a number of books out there selling while we sleep. So make sure you watch the full video, give it a thumbs up, and let us get started. Since we are intending to sell a copy of this book on Amazon, we will run a short search there. Making use of Canva is one technique for doing it for nothing. Therefore, visit the Canva website to see what options are available. The Canva webpage is located here. A free website where you can find a variety of digital designs is called Canva, which allows you to create a Canva KDB book cover. There are numerous choices available to them. Remember that this is a free platform, therefore you can find a variety of stuff here. Searching for ideas for a budget planner is what we are going to do. Let us check out the interior designs available for budget planners on Canva. As you can see, there are several templates available here from which you may choose, demonstrating that Canva offers more than just web pages. They also offer book covers. It is vital to understand that when it comes to interior design or book covers, you cannot simply use designs from Canva. They are too damaged to be sold as is. So that you do not face a copyright infringement lawsuit, you will need to make some similar major alterations. Let us get started, because we do not desire those issues. You can enter book cover to begin creating this book cover. So these are our available options. Template recommendations will be available here. To apply both pages, we will click. OK, everything is good to go. We now have our front and back cover designs. Once you have that, you can upload your design to one of your favorite websites, which will make your life much simpler when it comes to these lightweight publications. Low-content books on BookBolt is one of them, right here. You can go to BookBolt because this will take care of everything. They offer a variety of other possibilities as well. So, this book does not simply deal with planners. If you purchase the Puzzle Whiz edition, you can solve puzzles. It is a minor upgrade, but one that is extremely worthwhile. Take a look at all of these planners and other items. BookBot will have the interiors for you. They have a new and improved designer. So there are several instructions available when you first enter a BookBolt. As you can see, they offer both product search and keyword search. One of the best things about BookBolt is that you can spy on your competitors and learn things, like the keywords they are using, which will help you boost your SEO there and outsell them in sales. And we will demonstrate how to achieve all of that for you. A monthly spending schedule is what we need. Boom! Search right now. These businesses are our rivals. Thus, in order to eavesdrop on a specific person, we will grab their ISBN number and enter it into BookBolt. These are the keywords we will use to describe our book when we list it. We will now head over to BookBolt Studio, which is a more recent iteration of BookBolt Designer. We are going to start a new project, so now we have everything. Let us make the project. We currently possess all of the necessary components to quickly upload this book to Amazon. Closer order to see the cover. Let us zoom closer. Since the book is essentially wide open and laying flat, the front will be on the right and the back will be on the left. Let us zoom in so you can see the barcode in the yellow block to the right of the book. Our barcode will be generated by Amazon automatically. After that, you can upload an image and presto! We have those images. We will now include the interiors. We know that Paige is the owner of this book, and it has a cover. The benefit of BookBolt is that it offers page templates like that. Therefore, what we will do is head over here and have a look at these interior templates. You can also do puzzles and other things, just like you could if you owned BookBolt's upgraded edition. We have informed BookBolt of the desired number of pages, correct? So, there you have it, 120 pages. So, let us choose. We will select everything first, and then we will deselect it. All of our pages can be found here. To see the book cover, simply download the project. This is the front and back when we post it to KDP. The front and back of the cover are both in the same document because it is all one. As you can see, it begins with whom does this book belong to before allowing us to just browse through and glance at the pages. This is how our interior will look. We may now upload to KDP, since these are all of our template pages. This is how it appears on this page when you sign in with your standard Amazon account. Create an Amazon account if you do not already have one. Afterwards, you can select whether you want an e-book, paperback, or hardcover. All that information is available, correct? You would produce a paperback. Now that we have established that BookBolt can help you save time, let us move on. Therefore, you have the option of filling out all of this information manually or using BookBolt, which allows you to complete it all ahead of time and utilize it for numerous books at once, which is a tremendous time saver. If you plan to create many journals, you may simply plug in the necessary components and start using them. All you have to do is save and continue, because all of my information is now filled in. An ISBN, which functions similarly to a barcode, is available for free. Ensure that we finish by 11 or 8.5. At this time, Amazon KDP allows you to make covers. When someone opens the book, we will only verify the pages, and if it belongs to them, we may save and go on. Now that you know how much it will cost them to print it, you can tell that Amazon will be the main marketplace. Here is how much money you would make each time it's sold on Amazon if you lived in a different nation. Your book may not be available for purchase for up to 72 hours. So let us just press Publish at this point. It is a fantastic option to supplement your income while you are sleeping. With that said, if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button in the comments so we may make more of it for you. Also, do not forget to subscribe and set on your notifications so you will be notified when we upload a new video. Now, we strongly advise you to watch this video if you are interested in earning passive money by selling books. On the upcoming one, we will see you